Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Today I'm installing finally the 3-point attachment, trailer attachment, and skidding log. You remember that from last fall that Joe kindly made for me? Alright, so today I'm gonna install it because I get my RV to move soon. And also I have some tree to pull out of my wood. Alright, so stay on, guys and ladies. Cheers! Alright, guys, so I had to adjust these for the other control, so that's what I was playing, and I had to adjust that too. So let's continue. Holy shit. The distance, I don't know if you can see me, but the distance from there to there is not the same on the other side, so both of the pin are going to be adjusting the same. I'm within 3 millimeters of difference. But again, I'm measuring the distance from there to there, so the pin is the same length on both sides. So right now I have 8 centimeter, 85 millimeter on this side, and on this side I've got 80 millimeters. So I'm 5 millimeter too much on that side or less on that side. So I'm gonna put that one that side. Alright, gentlemen, my battery went off. So from there to here, from there to here, I get 85 millimeter on each side. So it's very precise work. Alright, so the both are foot-pound torque. And the same on this side, okay? So everything is installed. Now I'm gonna do last installation, the big RV trailer hitch. Stay along. Alright, gentlemen, so and ladies, this is my RV. It's a 30-foot long RV, and the weight, the maximum, I think it's I don't remember gross vehicle weight ratio, and with the maximum weight I can put on that RV, it's 7,000 pounds. That means the propane tank filled, the water tank filled, I don't know about the wastewater, and all the food and clothing in there. It's all in detail, but just to keep you informed. So, that's why I've got a hell of a heavy hitch I'm going to install in there. So, stay on. Well, guys, this is it. It's finally installed. It's just some minor adjustment, and my whole drill just fixed it, and with some hand working for my triangle file, everything is good. So it's all set up for moving my RV, and also for putting some wood later on. I ain't gonna install yet the backhoe. That will be later on. But for now, I was eager to install this. Took me a little bit of time, but that was the name of the game. And thank you again, Joe, for building that for me. And alright, guys, cheers. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. And yes, bonjour, baby. Cheers.